Hi there guys, someone was asking about connecting to multiple databases that have exactly the same structure. So this video is about that. And for the sake of example, we have these three databases all access. They all have the same table except they have different data. Okay, just one table and data is different. So this is the first one, this is the second one, just to show you. Okay, and the last one here. Okay, the difference in data was db3, the previous one db2, the first one db1. Anyway, so in order to do that, all you need to do is connect to one of these and build your application on that, and later on you can just change the connection string, and that will be all. Okay, so there we go. Add a data source. Select the database. Next, select new connection and select access database just in case. Browse and select your first database. Okay, there we go. Press OK, press next. Now it's gonna ask you if you want to store the database now, and this is the connection string, no problem. Press next, and there we go, and finish. So now you have everything created, and you want to build the application, so you are gonna build your application without any problem, like that. Let's assume that your application only contains this this data grid view, okay, just for simplicity, because this is not where the focus is on. Okay, so just make sure it's working, and we have the information linked to db1. Now, how do you change the connectivity to a different one? Well, to do that, first you need to know the connection string. In order to get the connection string, go to project here, go to the properties of your project, select settings, and then you will find that the connection string is stored here. So click here and press Ctrl+C to copy this connection string. Now what you want to do is to save the connection string here. Constring dimension constr string equal. Okay, so what you see here is that this is the driver name followed by the data source where the database file is. Obviously the database is going to change here, and I am assuming that all the databases will be stored at the same location. This is why I am only omitting the name of the database. I am not omitting the whole path. Next, you want to have a mechanism to select the database and return the database file name. Okay, if you are using different database like MySQL, you might want to also replace the server name, the server name or IP address, and the port number and stuff like that. So it depends on the database. In other words, what we are doing here, we are customizing or rebuilding the connection string at runtime. This is what we are doing. So here I'm gonna say select db dimension db number as string equal enter db number 1, 2, or 3. Okay, this is gonna be, sorry, I'll put a box so that the user can enter the information at runtime, and the default option is 1, connectivity to the first database. Next, we are gonna select the database name based on the our selection. So if db number equals 1, then constr equal constr and db1 dot accdb. Okay, so Ctrl+C vvv. You might want to change the mechanism that we are using here to select the database, like providing a better interface, or make the program automatically detect what database we want to work with. Now we finished this stage. Let's go to the next stage. what do you do with this connection string? Well, the connection string is used by the table adapter to identify where the table is and how to open the connection with it, which means if you are changing the database location, it means you need to change the connection string and tell the adapter about it. So in this case, what are we gonna say is the following: the table adapter dot connection, okay, dot connection string. Okay, so we are gonna go to the adapter and go to the connection, and we are gonna change the connection string to be constr. Okay, and by the way, every place where there is an adapter, if you are gonna use that adapter, you must make sure that the connection string is being updated, because every new instance of that adapter on different forms will use the default connection string, so pay attention to that. Okay, so we have this set, we have no problems now. Save that, let's go and run this code. So which database? So first I'm gonna use the default, so press enter, and here you see the information db1 variable 1, db1 variable 2, and so on. Okay, let me add something for hello 1. Okay, so we save that, let's close it, and now I'm going to save this run this again. Now I'm going to enter 2. Now what do you see here? This is the second database. You can see here this is db2 db2. So here I'm going to say, for example, for hi db2. Okay, and save that and close it. So now I'm going to run this again, and now I'm going to say 3, and you can see now I'm connected to the third database. Let me delete these two and save that. Okay, so now let me view the other databases. So I'm gonna press enter to see the first database. This is hello 1. Oh, this is not hello, this is hell, sorry. Okay, this is spelling hello. Now it's nice. So now I'm gonna enter 2. This is 2, and now I just need to see 3, and this is 3. Enter. As you can see, so it works without a problem. So as you can see, all we had to do simply is to change the connection string and tell the adapter that the connection was changed. Now if you are, let's say, using 2 or 3 adapters on the same form, each adapter must be updated with the new connection string. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to change the main connection string in the setting at runtime. That's because it's a read-only property. What I mean by this is that it would have been easier if we were able to modify this at runtime. We can just modify it when the program first starts, and all the data sets will be using that. But sadly, this is read-only, so we cannot manipulate it. Anyway, I hope you'll find this useful. Okay, if you have further questions or suggestions, send them to notes@mka-soft.com. Also check out the website. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.